Hi and welcome to Outwell. Today I'd like to present our brand new Outwell by Gear8 Field Repair Kit. We've teamed up with repair kit specialist Gear8 to make the best possible repair kit to bring on your camping holidays. The repair kit consists of 3 different repair options. There's a self-adhesive mesh repair. There's 3 different colors of tenacious tape. There's a clear tape, a light colored tape, and a black tape. And lastly, there's a small seam sealing kit, which contains a tube of seam sealer, an applicator brush, and single-use protective gloves. So you had an accident and got a hole in your mesh on your tent, you can use the mesh repair stickers to patch the hole. They're very simple. You simply remove here. This is the adhesive bit of the sticker. Place it onto the mesh. Now you'll have a long-lasting repair of your damaged mesh. The tenacious tape repair patches are super durable and versatile. They can be used to fix anything from your kids' jackets to self-inflating mats, the fly sheet on your tents, amongst many other things. Here I'll demonstrate how you can use them to repair an accident or a rip in your self-inflating mat. So say you have an accident. You can use the patches to patch up the tear in your self-inflating mat and make it fully usable again. For this repair, I've chosen the clear tenacious tape patch. So you cut a piece to size to fully cover the tear. Very simple. You just expose the self-adhesive and apply the patch. Your mat is now fixed and is ready to be used. The field repair kit is great to bring along on your camping holidays to sort out any unforeseen accidents. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.